Hi everyone and welcome back to another lesson. Today then it says subtract tens from a 4-digit number where the hundreds are going to change. So let's have a little look at this example question. 0 subtract 0. That's going to be the easiest thing you do today is 0. 5 subtract 6, or remember, put your fingers over the 9 and the 4, 50 subtract 60. Can you do it? If Mr. Nash has got £50 and he wants to buy, I don't know, some pencils, very expensive pencils for £60, can he do it if they cost £60? Well, no, he can't. He is money short. So this is where it says go into the hundreds column, knock next door. Okay, we have 4 hundreds here, but I am going to pinch 100. Thank you very much, Mr. Hundreds. And I'm going to put one of my hundreds here. Okay, if you're still confused with this, again, put your fingers over the 9, 3 and 4 on your screen now, and it will say, if you look, 150 take away 60, because that's all that this means. So 15, however, take away 6, make your life easier. Well, 6 number bonds to 10, add 4. Oh, look, and we're on 15. So 4 add 5. What's 4 add 5? Correct, it is 9. Perfect. Okay, so you can even use addition when you subtract. 3 subtract nothing is 3, and 9 subtract nothing is 9. What a lovely, easy do it that was. I would have lots and lots of them, please. So if you get on with those straight away, if that makes sense, brilliant. If it doesn't, probably rewatch the videos from yesterday or watch today's video again. Now, Coco thinks 4,216, that says, I'm not sure what's going on here, subtract 30 equals 4,213. Now, I'm going to look at this straight away. I'm explaining why Coco is wrong. So I'm not going to say the answer is me. No, boring. Okay, what has Coco done wrong? Now, immediately, I'm putting on my mathematician brain. Okay, it's crawled back into my head today, so I'm using my mathematician brain. So if I look at this, subtracting 30, and yet the hundreds haven't changed, the tens haven't changed, and only the ones have changed, and the ones have fallen by 3. So I'm already thinking there's been a silly sausage mistake by Coco, because only the ones have changed. And we aren't really affecting the ones here as such, are we? Because we're focusing on the tens. Okay, so there seems to be a mistake already. So 6 subtract 0, well, that's lovely and easy again. 6. 1 subtract 3. Oh, that's nice and easy because, oops, daisy, because that will be a 2. No, it is not. Mr. Nash, don't be silly. Because you can't do 1 take away 3. If you have 1 sweet and someone says, I want 3 of your sweets, and you've only got 1, well, it's impossible, isn't it? So, knock next door. Oh, thank you, hundreds. I'm going to pinch one of you. So 2 taking away 1. That leaves me with 1. I'm going to put my other one here. Can I do 11 take away 3? Yes. Now I know my number bonds to 10. 3 matches with 7. And I've got to add 1 more. So 7 add 1 is 8. Lovely. 1 subtract nothing, 1. 4 subtract nothing, 4. What mistake has Colin made? Colin's mistake, oh sorry, not Colin, Coco, poor old Coco. Coco's mistake here is that she's not written down her place value, and she's made a guess here, I think, and she has subtracted the tens from the ones instead of the tens from the tens column. So a silly mistake from Coco. Oh dear me. Now, solve it is one of those mean looking questions again. It isn't that difficult though, but you will need a written method. The difference between two 4-digit numbers is a 3-digit numbers. Now, you can try this first of all as many ways as you'd like. So you'd have to have here 4-digit number, take away a 4-digit number, so I need my subtract sign here, equals a 3-digit number. You'll have to work out how that's going to work. Now, I could probably do a few examples here for you. And then the question after that will say, try doing it using only the digits 5 and 6 in these columns. So we'll give it a go both ways. So first of all, let's go for something simple like 4,400 subtract, I don't know, let's go for, where's my little penny pen? Let's go for 4,300. Oops, why is that turning into a 7, Mr. Nash? Let's make it into a 3 now. 4,300. Well, this is nice and simple because we can just subtract this in our heads. We just need to get rid of the 4s straight away. 4,000 take away 4,000 is 0. 400 take away 300. That just leaves me with 100. Well, that was the easiest thing in the world to do, wasn't it? Now, you can do that as many different ways as you would like. When it becomes tricky is when you can only use 5 and 6 as the missing digits. So let me make these magically disappear. So let's go for 6, 6. Now I'm not going to put that unlucky number in. 5, 5. Subtract 5, 5, 5, 5. Let's see if it works. So 6,000 take away 5,000. That's not going to work, is it, actually? Because that will leave me with 1,000. So I'm going to go back here sneakily. And I'm going to change this to a 6, 5, 5. Oh dear, 5. 6 take away 6. Perfect. Leaves me with nothing. 6 take away 5. Brilliant. Leaves me with 1. 5 take away 5 leaves me with 0. And 5 take away 5 leaves me with 0. So when I'm using only 5 and 6 within this, it is possible. Now on your sheet, I think it's 7 and 8, or it might be 6 and 7. I can't quite remember. Do it as many times as you would like, okay? And if it doesn't make sense, don't worry, just try your best. That's all that matters. Finally then, moving on to the lovely mastery, I've given you one of these stinky questions again. I am thinking of a number. I multiply it by 12 and add 56. I then divide it by 4 and get 50. What number did I start with? So I have given you one word to solve this question, and that is inverse. Okay? Use your inverse. That's everything for today's lesson. I hope you've enjoyed, and there will be more maths challenges from Mrs. Below tomorrow. Thank you guys so much, and I look forward to seeing your work.